In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Age of Empires 3 on Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on all of the options that you have to play Age of Empires 3 on any Mac. So, as you might be aware, Age of Empires 3 is officially available on Steam, but as you can notice, it is only natively working with Windows. So if you have Linux or Mac, you will not be able to simply purchase the game and run it. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the workarounds that you can choose. The first one that was actually posted by the game itself on Steam is using Parallels. So Parallels is a program that emulates Windows on a Mac, which allows you to run not only Steam, but also the game itself. It's the one that they recommend. However, Parallels is paid. So as you can see, it costs basically $120 per year to run it. So you will need a subscription. There are other alternatives that are either cheaper or free, but you will have to look into them yourself. Like I said, there are a bunch of other software that work as well, such as Wine or Crossover, and you simply have to do your own research. Another alternative would be Boot Camp. As long as you are able to run Windows within your Mac, you will be able to get this done. For Parallels specifically, you simply download the tool and they make it very convenient because you can choose to install Windows 11 directly from the software itself and they will do the setup for you. Afterwards, you simply have to choose the option to do gaming, and they will adjust all of the settings to optimize games, and then you can download Steam, purchase Age of Empires, and enjoy. If you do this process with other software like Crossover, the steps are generally going to be the same, but the visual interface will be slightly different, and it might not be as easy as with Parallels. Now, the other option that you have is to use cloud gaming services. One example would be GeForce Now. Once again, this is a subscription-based service that allows you to play games over the cloud, even if they don't natively run on a Mac. Age of Empires 3 is available on GeForce Now, so if you subscribe to use the service, you will be able to play. However, there are limitations. You need to make sure that you have a very strong and stable internet connection because you will be streaming the game over the cloud, and the experience might not be the best. So choose between the options that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Age of Empires 3 on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.